Mayong hapon, basketball fan, when we're still live here at the Davao City Recreational Center, formerly known as Almendras Gym. And this is our day 3 ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026, brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And we're currently at our 4th game. It's gonna be between the Musab Kagan up against the Dr. Mace Maguindanao. So these are 4 teams today, and coming up next po mamaya is the Team DDAT versus the team of RMT. So daghang salamat din sa tao sa atong Facebook page sa Madayaw Sports Davao, and we would like to give a shout out sa atong Commissioner Pong Escobal, League Director Mickey Dihita, o si Coach Miggy Solitaria. So ako din si Chris Escara ng inyong game anchor. So this are game at hand, Dr. Mace Maguindanao and versus the Musab Kagan. So Musab Kagan with 1-1, with the Dr. Mace Maguindanao with 0-2. So they currently try to get their first win itong Dr. Mace, while itong Musab Kagan will try to bounce back after their loss against the RMT yesterday. So we'll see a great action here. So coming from our one-and-act game nung third game natin kanina, Team Iranon against the Maranao team, with Maranao winning over Team Iranon by just a couple of points only. So first possession here goes to Dr. Mace Maguindanao and Haji Musab for 2 for Dr. Mace. So first basket is for So I think there's a clarification is by the referees here. So first basket goes to the counted foul, pero kailangan po mapalit ng court dahil sa FIBA rules po. So 2 points already for Dr. Mace Maguindanao up against Musab Kagan wearing the white. 2-pointer, and that's a miss. Aratok with the rebound. Aratok, kasi ito kay Donato. Bigay dito kay Haji Musa. Bigyan ng screen, Aratok. Great pass, Aratok. That's a miss. Loose ball. Extra pass dito kay Bato. Bato, nangunguna dito si jersey number 42. Labawan for 2. So here's the starting five here, for the Musab Kagan. We have Bato. We have Labawan. Along itong si Hamed. At si Hagonya. O si Andres. And for the Dr. Mace Maguindanao, we have Donato. We have Haji Musa. We have Mandy. At si Aratok. Along itong si jersey number 9. So, si Lidasan. So, yeah, balik tayo yung ball game. Donato. One-legged jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ball goes to Musab Kagan. So Dr. Mace has the basketball. Kaya dito kay Andres, jumper. That's a miss. Rebound here by Donato. Forward pass dito kay Lidasan to Musa. That's a miss. And rebound here. Forward pass dito kay Labawan. Labawan guarded by Donato. Donato pass dito kay Hagonya. Balik kay Bato. Bato, pass ito kay Labawan. Guarded close here by Donato. Great defense. Labawan. Long layup there, but there's a foul. And there's a foul on jersey number 42, si Labawan. So, balik ang bola sa Dr. Mace Maguindanao. Donato. Kaya dito kay Haji Musa. Musa, jumper. And it's good. Bato. Pass ito kay Hagonya. Pass ito kay Labawan. Ako, that's traveling. That's a turnover. Balik ang bola dito sa Dr. Mace Maguindanaon. Oh, what a spin by Haji Musa for 2! Bato. So 6-4 point lead here by Dr. Mace. Bato, guarded close here by Donato. Bato, pass dito and last almost a steal here by Haji Musa. But ball stays with Musab Kagan. Labawan. Guarded by Haji Musa. Kaya dito kay Hagonya. Shoots for 3. That's a miss. Andres with the rebound. Andres, extra pass. So jersey number 9 for 2. So great shot there by Andres. Donato, kay Mandy. Mandy kay Aratok. Balik kay Mandy. Mandy for 2. Ito, Andres na naman. No good. Rebound by Mandy. Dito kay Haji Musa. Musa, dire-diretso. Musa lumipad. Block by Labawan. Grabe talaga si Musa. Three-pointer by Donato, no good. Aratok with a rebound. That's a miss. And a second serving try attempt there by Musa, but that's a miss as well. But there's a foul. So shout out din kay number 1 jersey sa Kagan, kay Teddy Boyser Basir. And shout out din kay sa Kaganwaan from Joar Lacadon Makaradi. Og shoutout kay Go Manindanawon kay Wafa Lupon Latip. Og shoutout sa team Maguindanaon Dr. Mace from Wafa Lupon Latip. Shoutout sa inyo. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw sa atong Facebook page live. So 9-4 sa score. Maguindanaon leading by 5 points. Hagonya drives. Hagonya, no good. And now put back there by jersey number 24. It's Katukag scoring here for the Kaganwan. Musab Kagan rather. Aratok. Forward pass to kay Mandy. Mandy, double team. By to kay Aratok, wide open. Aratok! That's a miss! Rebound there by Hagonya. Ay, nakawala dito si Andres for 2. And pass it to Haji Musa for 2. Great answer. We shall score 11-8. Labawan. Bato, kay Hagonya. Katukag, jumper. That's good. Donato against Bato. Great defense. Haji Musa. It's a pass to Aratok using his body. Erasing the defense of Ilabawan. What a play there by Aratok. Hagonya. Drives. Hagonya. Inside pass to Katukag. That's a miss. Rebound there by jersey number 9. Ito si Haji Musa. Take off na sana. Labitawan na ng bola. Labawan. Drives. Labawan scores! So So shout out there kay Kobe Oden from Gata, from Jimar Kadunan. He's the instant replay here. What a composure there by Labawan. Focusing, making sure that they made that basket. So substitution be made here. Pakatindog subbing in. And along with Dataya. So on the floor, we have Haji Musa, Donato, Mandy, Makatindog, and Dataya. So for Musab Kagan naman, we have Agonia, Sagilan, Andres, and Katukag. Floater by Haji Musa! Sagilan kay Andres. Pasto kay Labawan. Labawan. Extra pass, inside pass. Andres for two! Forward pass ito kay Haji Musa for two! Grabe ito si Haji Musa. Napakabilis na player. Sagilan. Labawan. Kay Sagilan ako na. Bitawan ba? So Labawan is sub out here by itong si jersey number 20. Si Adimat. Ito, isa tong shooter for Musab Kagan. Haji Musa. And that's a foul. There on jersey number 3, ito si Hagonia. Ito, mukhang nasaktan doon si Haji Musa. Nasaktan yung kamay doon kasi nataganan niya. So, magbabalik tayo after a short break.
Upon review, a sportsmanlike foul for intentional contact with jersey number 3 of Musab Kagan, Nino Hagonia.
So after the review, so there's an unsportsmanlike foul here called on this player, si Hagonia. So it was foul on Haji Musa. Tapos hinigaan pa niya doon si si Musa. So, it was called for sportsmanlike foul. So, Haji Musa will shoot 2 free throws here. Plus ball possession. And that's a miss.
14 seconds to shoot. 14.
So ball stays with the 3-point attempt. That's a miss. Rebound here by Makatindog. No good. Loose ball. Haji Musa gets the rebound. Haji Musa for two. So ito na, Haji Musa trying to hustling his way to get the ball. But that's a foul.
Foul with jersey number 8, Haji Musa. His third. Second first personal foul. Second team foul for Dr. Mace.
So first personal foul ng Haji Musa. Ito Sagilan against Donato. And a steal by Donato. And ako, that's an unsportsmanlike foul on Sagilan. You don't need to do that. Itapon mo na yung bola sa harap, then kunin mo lang balik kung gusto mo mag-set up talaga ng play. But he forces the dribble and noon, nahuli siya doon ni Donato and now he forced to get a foul. Yun, natawagan siya ng sportsmanlike. So, another 2 free throws plus ball possession. And that's good for Donato. So 14 seconds to shoot here. So ball stays with Dr. Mace. So 7-point lead here. Donato has the ball. Donato gonna screen the Taya. Steve Donato, extra pass to Musa. That's a miss. The Taya wins the board. And he scores! Hagonya. Kasi ito kay Adimat. Balik kay Hagonya. Hagonya drives. Hagonya for two! So that means a bonus free throw here. A chance for a 3-point play for Minyo Hagonya.
Second personal foul. Bonus free throw for Minyo Hagonya.
So back this swing ball game. Donato jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. Haji Musa gets the ball. Makatindog jumper. No good. Loose ball. Kuha ni Mandy. Mandy for two. 3-pointer by Adimat for two. That's his first 3-pointer in this ball game. Three-pointer by Donato, that's a miss. And loose ball, and balik ang bola dito sa Musab Kagan. Labawan will be subbing in. It's the instant replay here for Musab Kagan, and we'll be right back after a short break. And we're back to our ball game with Musab Kagan. Oh! Sabel! It's cold. Nakalimutan niya mag-dribble. Mukhang na-excite siya doon na wide lane si Labawan. So back to the ball game dito with 1 minute 18 seconds on the first frame. Dr. Mace magiging leading by 5 points over Musab Kagan. Dato is ito kay Haji Musa. Drives. Extra pass. Makatindog. Ako, munti ka na. Makatisado si Donato. But it was stopped. So 7 seconds to shoot here. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Haji Musa. Himingi na isolation. Step back 3. Ganda sana nun. Pang-highlights. Sagilan. Diretso. Sagilan. Hindi pinasa. No good. Haji Musa with the rebound. Forward pass. Ito kay Donato. Donato. Pass ito kay Haji Musa. Musa spins. Musa drives. No good. Ball stays with Dr. Mace.
14 on the shot clock, 14.
So 14 seconds shot clock here. Kick out pass dito. Haji Musa, 12 seconds to shoot. Bigyan na screen dito ni Makatindog. Balik kay Makatindog. And there's a foul.
Ball to jersey number 20. Odina Diman. His first personal foul. 2 free throws for Abdul Wahid Makatindo.
And Makatindog makes the first free throw. So they up by 6. And second free throw is no good. So 26 to 20. 27 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Sagilan. Guarded by Donato. Sagilan, pass dito kay Andres. Kick out. Adimad. Wide open 3-pointer. That's a miss.
I now for possession Dr. Mace.
9.2 seconds.
9.2 seconds.
Musa, kick out pass. Donato, step back. Ditirira, floater. That's good! At the buzzer!
Saeed Donato.
And that ends our first quarter with a score of 28 to 20. Musab Kagan down by 8 points to Dr. Mace Maguindanao. So we'll be right back after a short break para sa ating second quarter.
Second quarter.
And we're back na to our ball game. We start our second quarter ng ating fourth game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026. And this game is between the Dr. Mace Maguindanao up against the Musab Kagan. So this league is brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. So Katokag is fouled here from Musab Kagan by the Dr. Mace. So he will shoot 2 free throws. So, free throw is good for Katukag. So, the lead is cut down to 6 points. 28-22. Haji Musa has the ball. Forward pass ito kay Makatindog. Makatindog! Dinali pa sa ere, but that's a miss. So, balik ang bola still for sa Maguindanao. 14 second shot clock. And loses the ball. Bato steals the ball here. Pasa nito kay Baser. Baser, dire-diretso! And that's an offensive foul on Baser.
Defensive foul on jersey number 1, Rafi Maser. First personal foul. And now
So, nasa din ngayon yun.
Again, kung sino mo lang nakita na dito na motor, kaya naman lang po ang motor, ibigay lang mo dito.
Adimat, and he's fouled.
Foul in jersey number 3, Nancy Bajimusa. His second personal foul. 2 free throws for Odin Adimat.
So, Adimat will shoot 2 free throws here. And that's good.
Ito yung susi.
So, second free throw is good. So, the lead is cut down to 4 points, 28-24. And another steal almost for Busab Kagan. So, almost a steal na naman. Ball stays with Dr. Mace Maguindanao on 16 seconds. Sakla, 1 second para maitawid yung bola dito for Dr. Mace. And 8-second shot clock violation. So Bato has the ball here. Ganito kay Baser. Baser. Adimat. 3-pointer. That's good for Adimat. Finally, a bounce back game for Adimat. Medyo struggling siya from the outside in the first 2 games. Now, the lead is cut down to a single point. Musa, pass ito kay Miko Ampatuan. Ampatuan, jumper, that's a miss. Loose ball, Miko Ampatuan gets the ball and he scores! That's a miss there and almost a rebound there for Dr. Mace, but ball stays with Musab Kagan. So 8 minutes and 19 seconds remains sa ating first half. Katukag will inbound the ball. Ganito kay Adimat. Adimat, 3-pointer. That's a miss. Rebound by Miko Ampatuan. 3-point lead here by Dr. Mace. Haji Musa. Bigyan na screen na Dataya. Daki Magid. Magid drives. Paso kay 3-point attempt. No good. Loose ball. And nakuha si Labawan. Labawan. Diretso. Lumipad na naman si Labawan for 2. Grabe. Layo talaga take off nitong Labawan. So 1-point lead na lang inabol dito ng Musab Kagan. Magid. Forward pass nitong Itataya. Stolen by Baser. So nakuha ni Labawan. Labawan against. And 1 against Miko Ampatuan. Grabe, what a concentration here. May Labawan. So that's first personal foul on Miko Ampatuan. So time has been called here and mababalik tayo after a short break. And that's a miss. And a rebound here by Haji Musa. So 1-point lead here for the Musab Kagan. And no, Banigrera has been fouled here by Adimat. So shoutout dito sa mga tao sa itong Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. So please like and share po mga kaibigan. So again, this league is brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And there's a foul there on Labawan. So Haji Musa, who's being effective in the first quarter, has been somehow shut down in the second quarter. Banigrera. Pas ito kay Aratok. Aratok jumper. No good. Balik ito kay Aratok. Aratok. No good. Loose ball.
Out of bounds, full possession, Bay, three, number 8. 14 seconds shot clock, 14. Substitution.
Banigrera. Kay Amico Ampatuan. Guarded by Bato. Ampatuan. Nakawala for 2.
Nico Ampatuan.
Great job by Miko Ampatuan. Seeing the disadvantage from the height. Attacking the defense of Bato. Baser. Guarded by Miko Ampatuan. Kick out pass. 3-pointer by Sagilan. And that's good.
Okay, 2-point basket or damage Sagilan.
Oh, it's 2 points only. Stepping down. So 1-point lead here for Musab Kagan. Haji Musa pass to Miko Ampatuan with a reverse.
Nico Ampatuan.
Humihingi pala foul si Miko Ampatuan. And a steal here by Aratok. Tumba si Aratok doon. Musa lumipad na naman for 2. Grabe si Musa. 36-33. 3-point lead here by Dr. Mace. Bato. Nakawala. And that's a miss. Aratok with the rebound. Forward pass dito kay Musa. Nakawala na naman for the easy 2. And I think Musa is the quickest player in this ball game. Mas mabilis pa siya kaysa kay Sagilan. Baser needs to step up here. Baser drives. Baser! And that's an N1! Grabe to si Baser. Putting his head down and bulldozing his way in for an N1. And that's foul on jersey number 9. Si Lidasan. So the lead is cut down to 2 points, 36-38. And almost a steal. And yeah, forcing a steal, a turnover here. So Musab Kagan will get the basketball. Bato has the ball. Andres. Sagilan for 3. And that's good! Finally, a 3-point made there by Sagilan. Ito, forward pass. Naku, nagawa ni Andres. Baser has the ball. Lamang lang dito Musab Kagan. Baser. Sagilan, back-to-back threes. Pinasok pa ni Sagilan for 2! 3-point lead for Musab Kagan. 5 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Banigrera. Pass ito kay Haji Musa. Great crossover. Try to spin. And that's a foul. And naku, mukhang may second motion pa dito. Si Haji Musa kay Andres. Grabe, yung mga high players talaga natin. Yung momentum, hindi mapigilan. Ito, gets the instant replay here. Brought to you by Basta Dabawenyo, Disciplinado. And this is the instant replay again. That this one dribble attack there by Sagilan for the easy 2. So warning is being given here. And Baser scoring again. Lamang na dito ng 5 points sa Musab Kagan. And a miss there. Aratok with offensive board. Aratok, instra pass. Miko Ampatuan. Extra pass to Van Negrera for 3. That's good! So 2-point lead ang hinahabol dito. Baser for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Aratok. Haji Musa has the ball. Gaskin Aratok. Great move by Haji Musa, but there's a foul.
Warning, jersey number 13 for gaining a foul. Down Sakilan. Second personal foul of Rafi Baser. 2 free throws for Najib Hajimusa.
Haji Musa will shoot 2 free throws and that's a miss. And that's a miss na naman, and 2-point lead still for Musab Kagan. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Sagilan has the ball. Dito kay Hagonya. Hagonya drives. Ako, nagkakatamaan sa ito ni Andres. Baser, guarded by Haji Musa. Baser, crossover. Sagilan, thinking 3. Naku, hindi tinira. And that, napunto ka sa 20-second shot clock violation. Miko Ampatuan has the ball. Forward pass dito kay Van Negrera. Against Baser. Pass dito kay Miko Ampatuan. Guarded by Hagonya. Ampatuan drives. Ampatuan blocked by Baser. And that's a foul on Miko Ampatuan. Great defense for Baser.
Holding down jersey number 24. Miko Ampatuan, second personal foul for position. Two free throws for Baser.
And the first free throw is no good for Baser. Van Negrera. Forward pass. Almost a steal there by Baser. So 3-point lead here by Musab Kagan with 3 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Musa, nakawala kay Sagilan. Musa, kick out pass. Van Negrera for 3. No good. Rebound here. And Hagonya gets the ball. Forward pass dito kay Sagilan. Sagilan, extra pass to Andres for 2. Ito si Musa against Sagilan. Great crossover. Musa na naman lulipad. No good. Offensive rebound may Makatindog. But there's a foul. And that's on Makatindog. It's the instant replay here. Andres from Sagilan. Brought to you by Davao City's Basta na Buenyo, disiplinado. So, 2 free throws here by Hagonya. So, first free throw is good for Hagonya. So, 6-point lead already here for Musab Kagan. So 2 for 2 for Hagonya. 7-point lead. Makatindog has the ball. Tindog, guarded closely here. Miko Batuan loses the ball. Hagonya with a steal. For pass ito kay Sagilan. That's a block by Makatindog. A great job by Musab Kagab keeping the possession. Haji Musa, pass to Miko Batuan. But that's a foul. And that's on Baser.
Holding foul on jersey number 1, Rafael Bater. His third personal foul. Substitution. Two free throws for Miko Batuan.
So Mika Batuan will shoot the free throw here. That's a miss. Baser with the rebound. So still 7-point lead here for Musab Kagan. Sagilan. Pass ito kay Baser. Baser. Extra pass. Andres jumper for 2. So 50-41. 9-point lead here. So Labawan is called for a foul here on Haji Musa. And they're ready in the penalty. So Muji Musa will shoot 2 free throws.
Two free throws for Yashi Musa.
And that's a miss by Haji Musa. So itong free throws talaga, ito talaga yung issue nila since day 1. Itong Dr. Mace, they can't convert some of their free throws. Ito, 3 straight free throws ng mintis. Another free throw attempt and already made here for Haji Musa. So 8-point lead. Baser, diretso for 2. No fouls called. So 10-point lead now for Musab Kagan. Vanagrera and a steal here, and that's a foul on Vanagrera.
Holding foul on jersey number 2, Andre Vinagrera. His first personal foul. Two free throws for Nino Hagonya.
And first free throw is no good for itong si Hagonya. And that's a miss. So 2 misses for Hagonya. So still 10-point lead here. Vanagrera against Andres. Great double team na naman. Almost a turnover.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
So shot clock 15 here. 1 minute 31 seconds remains at the first half. Haji Musa drives. Extra pasada for Aratok. And ball stays with Dr. Mace Maguindanao.
Possession stays with Dr. Mace. 8 seconds. Shot clock 8.
So 8 seconds to shoot here. For pasito Miko Batuan. Ako, steal by Sagilan. Sagilan chased down by Miko Batuan, but there's a foul. And eto, ano ang tawag ng referee? Unsportsmanlike foul. So that means 2 free throws plus ball possession. So that's a frustration foul there on Miko Batuan. Isa sa replay here, great job there by Sagilan. Ito yung labor siya dito. Ayun, bola sana yung job. Ano, tumama kasi yung sa ulo ni Sagilan. So that means 2 free throws plus ball possession here for Sagilan. And first free throw is a miss. And 2 misses by Sagilan. So Mandy is subbing in for Benaglera.
14-second shot clock. Ordained.
So 14-second shot clock here. Musab Kagan sa ball. Ay na steal. Miko ang patuan. Forward pass dito kay Haji Musa. Haji Musa dire-diretso. No good. And that's a goaltending for Labawan. Grabe ito si Haji Musa in this ball game, ha? Scoring machine dito for Dr. Mace. No forward pass dito. Dito kay Labawan. Balik dito kay Sagilan. Bigyan kay Baser. Baser, great hesitation. Inside pass. Eh, naku, masyadong malakas yung pasa. Makatindog. Been guarded closely here by Andres. Great defense. Still Makatindog. Kick out pass. Mandy. Crossover against Baser. Mandy. No good. Rebound here. Forward pass. And a steal by Haji Musa. Musa, the hype man. Passing Makatindog for 2 and 1.
For Abdul Wahid Makatindog. Young Power Training number 3, Nico Fortuna. Bonus free throw for Abdul Wahid Makatindog.
So Makatindog will shoot the bonus free throw. So the lead is cut down to 6 points. So great job there by Dr. Mace, keeping it close here against Musab Kagan. And that's a miss. And Makatindog gets the miss. Offensive rebound. Makatindog, step back, jumper for 2! What a shot by Makatindog! And that time I was calling for Musab Kagan. The lead is cut down to 4 points. 52 to 48. So mababalik tayo after a short break. So let's back with 25 seconds remaining. Dr. Mace leading here down here by 4 points. 52 to 48. Musab Kagan has the ball. Sagilan, kay Baser. This will be the last shot as expecting here for Musab Kagan. Baser has the ball. Labawan, inside pass. Katukag, jumper! No good. Baser with offensive rebound but bitawan ng bola. 3.1 seconds remaining. Magid will inbound the ball. Magid, kaya dito kay Miko. Matuan ako, umuti ka na agawan dito. And 0.1 second. And that ends our first half with a score of 48-52. Dr. Mace down by 4 points over Musab Kagan. So magbabalik tayo after a short break para sa ating second half. Stay tuned.
First quarter.
And we're back now to our ball game. We'll start our second half ng ating fourth game ng ating Ramadan Basketball League 2026 being brought to you by the City Mayor's Office and in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. And this game is between the Musab Kagan up against the Dr. Mays Maguindanaon with Dr. Mays down by 4 points, 52-48. Bato has the ball here. May ito kay Lakadon. Lakadon, kick out pass. Adimat for 3. That's short. Pick up by Makatindog. Forward pass to kay Mandy. Mandy. Hesitation. Balik kay Miko Ampatuan. Ampatuan loses the ball. Andres. And foul given up there by Makatindog. So substitution being made. Miko Ampatuan will be subbed out here by Haji Musa. Bato has the ball. Ganito kay Maklakadon. And there's a foul. That's an offensive foul on Katukag.
Holding foul on jersey number 1, Keiko Frankie.
Oh, it's Mandy. It's called for a foul.
He's third personal foul.
Lakadon will inbound the ball. Kick out pass. Adimat for 3. That's good! So that's his Adimat's second three-pointer in this ball game. 8-point lead, and now that's almost a turnover there. Haji Musa was fouled there by Lakadon. It's the shooter ito si Adimat. Nothing but net yan for Mr. Adimat. So the referees will try to clarify some things here. So after a review, so Haji Musa will be called for unsportsmanlike foul on Lakadon. So medyo kasi sa second emotion doon. So Lakadon will shoot free throw here. And that's a miss. By the way, coming up next po Team Didat up against the mighty RMT team, which is wala pang talo sa ating tournament. So 1 out of 2 for Lakadon. So ball stays with Musab Kagan. So they're up here by 8 points, 56-48. Bato. Ganito kay Andres. Lakadon for 3. That's a miss. Rebound. Eh yun, nabitawan doon ni Bato. And balik ang bola sa Dr. Mays. So Haji Musa has the ball here. Guarded close here by Lakadon. Haji Musa, step back 3. That's a miss. Rebound here by Adimat. Ganito kay Bato. Bato drives. Bato! No good! Rebound here by Lidasan. But there's a foul.
Holding foul, jersey number 24, His first
So
personal foul.
Katokag has been called for a foul. And great hesitation move by Haji Musa para nag-maze lang, but that's a miss. Rebound here by Lakadon. Lakadon, dire-diretso si Lakadon! No good! Mandy with the rebound. Mandy, pasa dito kay Haji Musa, inside pass to Aratok. Great body control na naman for Aratok. That is really his game, using his body to protect the ball. And yun, nakagawa siya doon ng separation. Lakadon, 4 pass dito kay Andres, and that's a foul. And I think that's on jersey number 1, Mandy.
His fourth personal foul.
Fourth personal foul na ito si Mandy. And ayun, stepping on the line pa doon si Adima at hindi counted yung 3-point shot na doon. Sayang. So 6-point lead here for Musab Kagad. Dr. Mays has a chance to cut down the lead. Forward pass dito. Almost a steal here. Mandy has the ball. Mandy against Andres. Mandy jumper. That's a miss. Loose ball. And ball goes to Musab Kagad. Andres. Inside pass to Lakadon for 2. Miko Ampatuan loses the ball, and that's a foul on Miko Ampatuan. He's asking for a foul. So that cost him a turnover. So balik ang bola niya sa Musab Kagad.
His fourth personal foul penalty. Substitution for Dr. Mays. Substitution for Musab. 2 free throws for John Bato.
And first free throw is good for Mr. Bato. So early penalty situation here for Dr. Mays. So lahat ng free throws tataos kaila is automatic. Will be free throw for Musab Kagan. Haji Musa has the ball. Aratok. And yun, that's a foul on Hagonia. So great job there by Aratok.
His third personal foul. Second team foul for Musab Kagan. 14, shot clock, ordained.
Great pass there. Loose ball. And ball goes back to Dr. Mays. Aratok spins, Aratok shoots, and that's a miss. Great defense by Hagonia. Bato has the ball. Bato drives. Fight pass to Lakadon for 2. Haji Musa has the ball. Bigyan ng 4 na screen dito. Shoots for 3. That's a foul, and that's on Lakadon.
Pushing foul on jersey number 17, Joshua Lacadon.
So Joshua Lacadon is called for a foul. That means 3 free throws here for
His first serve.
Haji Musa.
3 free throws for Haji Musa.
And first free throw is good for Haji Musa. Two for two. Three for three for Haji Musa. So great job by Haji Musa shooting the free throws here. So leads cut down to 8. 53-61. Adimat, long three, no good. And rebound here. Ganito kay Haji Musa. Haji Musa with a crossover. What a pass to Aratok, but that's a foul. That's on Lacadon.
Johnny foul on jersey number 17, Joshua Lacadon. His second personal foul. 2 free throws for Mohamed Amato.
Aratok makes the free throw. That's a miss on Aratok and a rebound here by Andres. So 7-point lead here by Musab Kagan. Bato drives. That's a foul. And that's on Van Negrera, and that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Bato.
Second personal foul. 2 free throws for John Bato.
So first free throw is good. Two for two for Mr. Bato. So 63-54 is the score. 9-point lead. Haji Musa for 3. That's a miss. Ganda ng move na yun. Ala Lamelo ball. Ito, Aratok. Forward pass dito. Kay Adima. That's a foul.
Foul on jersey number 2. Andre Dinavera. His third personal foul substitution. Two free throws for Odi Adima.
So Adima will shoot 2 free throws and he makes the first one. So 2 free throws is made here by Adimat. So lamang ng 11 ngayon ng Musab Kagan. Great move by Lidasan, but that's blocked. Ball stays with Musab Kagan.
9 seconds to shoot.
9 seconds to shoot here. Ang patuan, bigay ito kay Haji Musa. Musa, got it close here by Dimat. Musa, tinky 3, and that's blocked. Great defense. Hagonya, pass to Adima for 2.
Odi Adima, timeout, number 8.
So time has been calling for Dr. Mace Maguindanao, and we'll be right back after a short break. We're back to our ball game with 4 minutes and 33 seconds sa ating third quarter. Miko Apatuan is fouled here. So they're down by 13 points here. Atong Dr. Mace sa Musab Kagan.
Foul to jersey number 5, John Bato.
So Bato is called for a foul. So that means 2 free throws here for Miko Apatuan. And first free throw is good for Miko Ampatuan. Two for two for Miko Ampatuan. So the lead is cut down to 11. 56-67. So 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Andres, pass ito kay Sagilan. Wide open, balik kay Sagilan for 3, and let's go! Sagilan is been on point in this ball game in the 3-point line. So great news yan for Musab Kagan, building confidence for this tournament. Extra pass. And that's a basket for Joshua Lacadon. That's a foul. So it's a three play here. Joshua Lacadon driving down the lane, walang makapipigil. So Miko Ampatuan again will shoot 2 free throws. They're out by 16. And that's a miss on Miko Ampatuan. So 1 out of 2 for Miko Ampatuan. So 57-72 is the score. 15-point lead here for Musab Kagan. 3-pointer by Lacadon. That's short. Rebound there. But that's a miss. Great job there by Miko Ampatuan, battling that shot. Haji Musa has the ball. Pasa ito kay Miko Ampatuan, challenging the defense. No foul. Lacadon with the ball. Lacadon, dire-diretso. Lacadon. Great pass to Andres. No good. Lacadon. Tapsinan. No good. But still Lacadon. No good. Rebound by Dataya. Pass ito kay Haji Musa, but there's a foul. And that's on Sagilan. Grabe, what an effort there by Lacadon, but just can't make the basket.
He scored personal foul. New free throws for Anthony Hajimusa.
First free throw is no good. And second free throw is good. So 14-point lead here for Musab Kagan with 3 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. So medyo slow po ang pace ng ating ball game this third quarter kasi daming fouls. Sagilan. Ganito kay Andres. Hagonya. Floater. That's a miss. Rebound here by Lidasan. Kay Kimiko ang patuan. Balik kay Haji Musa. 18 seconds. 16 seconds. Great crossover. Pasok kay Miko ang patuan. The steal! Andres. What a move for two! Mandy has the ball here for Dr. Mace. Mandy, dire-diretso, great screen! And huli yun! Ni Lakadon. Lakadon, pasa dito kay Hagonya for two! So 2 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. Haji Musa, bigyan ng screen Dataya. Musa, fakes. Oh, naku! Huli ang pasan. Diretso sa makamay ni Lakadon for two for Sagilan. Eto, lumalayo na talaga dito ang Musab Kagan with a 20-point lead now. Mandy. Pass ito kay Haji Musa. Musa. Almost a steal. Musa for two. So time is being called here. Papalit mo na ng bola. Medyo basa lang yung bola. May slippery na. So pinapalitan dito ng mga referees. So with 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. So coming up next po, magandang laban po. Team Didat up against the RMT. Which is Team Didat is still winless. While Team RMT naman is undefeated as of the moment. Jumper, that's blocked. Great job there by Dr. Mace. Ito, pass nito kay Haji Musa. Musa, crossover. What a move. Fake, shoots. No good. Andito na kay Lakadon. Lakadon, layup. No good. Loose ball. Who gets the ball? It's Sagilan. Inside pass. For two. So, Hamed Andres scoring in this ball game. So 20-point lead still enjoyed here by Musab Kagan. Miko ang patuhan. Gathered closely here. Miko, great crossover. Great spin. Miko lumipad. And one! What a move by Miko ang patuan. Grabe. With a crossover, tinapo na ni Miko. Counted foul. So, Andres called for a foul. So, Miko ang patuan will shoot the bonus free throw. And he scores. So 80-63, 17-point lead here for Musab Kagan. Sagilan, pass to kay Hagonya. Balik kay Sagilan. Hagonya for 3. Masyadong malakas. Board lang tinamaan. And that ends our third quarter with a score of 63-80, 17-point lead here by Musab Kagan over Dr. Mace Maguindanao. So magbabalik tayo after a short break para sa ating fourth and final quarter. And we're back now to our ball game. We start our fourth and final quarter. Our fourth game for our day 3 ng Ramadan Basketball League 2026. This game is between the Dr. Mace Maguindanaoan up against the Musab Kagan, with Musab Kagan leading here by 17 points, 80-63. Sagilan nabitawan for Musab Kagan. So balik ang bola dito sa Dr. Mace. So by the way, shoutout dito sa mga tao sa Facebook page sa Madeo Sports Davao. And this league is brought to you by the City Mayor's Office in partnership with the Davao City Muslim Affairs Office. Baser, derecho, no good! And Ladimat is there to clean it up for 2. Haji Musa. Ganito kay jersey number 11, Donato. Babalik si Donato. Finally, in this ball game, Aratok. Inside pass. Dito kay Makatindog against Baser. Makatindog. Pass to doon. Aratok. Jumper for 2. Adimat wide open. That's a miss. And ball goes back to Dr. Mace. So 17-point lead here for Musab Kagan. Aratok. Bumps in. Aratok spins. Aratok shoots. Aratok no good. And Makatindog is a miss. So, Musab Kagan has the ball here with 17-point lead here. Baser drives. Baser kick out. Lacadon for 3. And that's good! 20-point lead here for for Musab Kagan. So, Dr. Mace defense here needs to be improved here. Aratok jumper. That's a miss. And rebound here by Musab Kagan. Lacadon. Derecho for 2. Lacadon has the ball. Donato has the ball here. Biyang screen ni Aratok. Donato, walang cut. Tinira lang ng derecho and that's a miss. So 7 minutes and 13 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Makatindog. Forward pass dito kay Musa. And 1! Great job there by Haji Musa. So Sagilan scored for a foul. And Haji Musa makes the free throw. Inside pass. That's a miss. Andres. There's still a miss. Loose ball. And Baser can't handle the basketball. Balik ang bola sa Dr. Mace. So they're down by 19 points. Itong Dr. Mace. So Haji Musa has the ball. So 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Aratok. Makatindog. Fakes. Makatindog for 2.
Joaquin Bacatito.
So great job there. May Makatindog focusing that bank shot and he makes it. Inside pass for 2. Andres scoring there. Ito, Donato. Against Bato. Great crossover. Donato behind the back. And ito, challenging the defense of Lacadon for 2. Grabe, he's really have a great fit. Ito si Donato. Inside pass. Kick out here. Lacadon. Wide open for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Aratok forward pass. Donato scores. 15-point lead. With 5 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Baser against Makatindog. And timeouts being called here by Musab Kagan, and we'll be right back after a short break. So we're back to our ball game. That's a turnover here by Musab Kagan. So balik sa Dr. Mace Mingahinanaon. Ang bola, 15-point lead only here. Chance to cut down the lead with a basket. Donato against Dimat. Aratok against Lacadon. Aratok power move for 2. He might not be tall, but he's really a power player itong sa inside. Ito si Aratok. Lacadon. Extra pass. Dimat for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. Kuha dito ni Bato. Inside pass. Ay naku, nabutawan pa ni Kapugad. So still, balik ang bola dito sa Dr. Mace. And a chance here to cut down the lead. Ito si Aratok. Tingnan mo serving the floor. Yung power move him against Lacadon. Over the stretch arm by Abaser. Scoring. Haji Musa. And that's wide right. Ito, forward pass dito. Kay Dimat. Great job by Donato. So, Donato has the ball. Donato, tingin 3. Great crossover. Donato, kick out pass. Makatindog, fakes. Makatindog, jumper. That's a miss. Rebound by Baser. Drives. Layup for 2. Joshua Lacadon for 2. Ito, Donato nangunguna. And he scores. He outruns itong si Dimat. Baser has the ball. Guarded here. Pass ito kay Dimat. Inside to Baser. And ito, walang magawa doon si Makatindog to give up that foul on Baser. That's too deep.
Jersey number 1. That was jersey number 18, Abdullah Makatindog.
So timeout is being called here, and we'll be right back after a short break. And wide open here. Back to the game. Wide open jumper, and that's good. It's Labawan making sure to make that basket. So, we're already at 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating 14th game dito sa Ramadan Basketball 2026. So, meron po tayong next game. It's gonna be an exciting game. It's yung Team DDOT up against the team of RMT. So, both losses po of DDOT are close games. So, you can expect ko na napaka-exciting na ating next game. So, undefeated po ang RMT with 2-0. Donato, forward pass and almost a steal. Three-pointer, that's a miss. Loose ball. Kick out pass. Dito. Donato, inside pass. Aratok jumper for 2. 13-point lead. Ito, a steal. Haji Musa for 3. That's a miss. Loose ball. And Bato with the rebound. Forward pass ito kay Lacadon. Lacadon, dire-diretso. Great pass to Baser for 2. Grabe, nabakansa siya ni Aratok doon, but great pass. Forward pass ito kay Makatindog. But just can't handle the basketball. Last 2 minutes, mga kaibigan. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining sa ating 4th game. So, shoutout dito sa mga talang sa ating Facebook page, sa Badeo Sports Davao. Please like and share po, mga kaibigan. Kaya napaka-exciting ating next game. Team D that up against the team of RMT. So, by the way, salamat din mga shoutouts dito sa atong mga major sponsors. Ang Mindanao Deltan Enterprise Incorporated, Simalink Construction ng Pocari Sweat, A-Telcom, Vida Dialysis, Xander's Flavors and Craves, Barracks Barbers and Shaves, KSK Food Products, ABG Construction and Supply, and DC Fitness. Donato has the ball. And he was forced to a turnover here by Sagilan. So with 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. So Baser scoring for Musab Kagan. So we're just gonna be waiting here for our final score here. So it's 100 to 80 is the score. 20-point lead now by Musab Kagan.
Eastern Personal Foul for division. Seconds on the shot clock. 18.
Jumper here, no good. Loose ball. Kwani Mandy. Mandy jumper. That's a miss. Dataya with the rebound. Third serving. Dataya no good. And rebound here by Katukag. Ito si Bato. With 1 minute remaining. Bato. 15 seconds shot clock. So I think they're gonna just waste the time here. Sagilan for 3. That's a miss. And loose ball, balik sa Dr. Mace ang bola with 48.1 seconds remaining. So, with 43 seconds remaining. So, this will be good news for Musab Kagan here. The Ratok jumper. That's a miss. And Sagila with the rebound. So 13 seconds remaining. So I think we're just waiting now for our final score here. So they're not gonna defend now here. We're still shot clock remaining. Bato and was fouled by Aratok. So that means 2 free throws here for Mr. Bato.
Winding around those seconds for two fouls. 2 free throws for John Bato.
So basket here by Bato. And 2 for 2 for Bato from the free throw line. So 14.7 seconds remaining. So it's a 22-point lead here for Musab Kagan. Donato will inbound the ball here with 7 seconds remaining. He tried to launch a 3-pointer and that's a miss. And I think that may do it. So congratulations for Musab Kagan for winning this ball game 102-80 over Dr. Mace Maguindanaon. So Dr. Mace will be down at 0-3 while Musab Kagan will be at 2-1. So they'll be playing again by tomorrow. So we'll 2 more days left remaining sa elimination games. So all games will be crucial now for this Musab Kagan team. So up next na naman is RMT versus the team of the DDAT. So magbabalik tayo after a very short break para sa ating next game. So ako is Chris Iscaran. So see you next game.
Let's go,